Alright guys, so I know you want to get straight into it, so we're just going to start. So actually what you're first going to want to do is open Google, search up wine bottle vector. Okay, because then this picture shows up, and this is the picture you want. There's different pictures of like, see different shaped wine bottles, but you're just going to go for this one. Click save image as. Then I don't need to do it because I already have it here, right? But then you're going to take it and you're going to drag it into your documents folder. Okay, that's all you need to do is take it, drag it, put it in your documents folder. You're going to open Blender, open new scene, delete the cube with X, by the way. You're going to come over here, click the plus, scroll down, click background images. Click the little arrow, add image, open. Now you're gonna go to you're gonna click documents over here, and wine bottle, the image you downloaded, open image. Now, nothing's gonna happen, but you gotta click 5, 1 on the numpad, and then it brings you to this view of the wine bottle on the side, and you can also do it with 3. Click Shift A, add a cylinder, can bring it in the middle, scale it down to the size of the wine bottle. Now you're going to click tab into edit mode. Just going to go ahead and hold Alt while clicking G, Z, bring it all down. Whoops, there we go. Up here, Alt, click G, Z, bring it up to here. Click Z, so you can see through. Control R to add a little line. Scale that line down. Right. You're going to alt click this top, scale it down. Okay. Then you click over here, Control R, click right here, scale that up. I'm going to do one more, Control R, click, scale. There you go. So, then you're going to untab. You're going to be in object mode now, and then you're going to click subdivision surface, make it like 3. Okay, now I'm going to go back to edit mode. I'm going to zoom in a little. Now you're going to go over here, Control R, click, then drag up. Over here, Control R, click, drag down. There we go. So, you can see now, it's the shape of a wine bottle, and that's exactly what we want. Now, it might be a little off. I could widen the, I guess you could call them shoulders, I don't really know. There we go. Scale that, you know, and then, I don't know, see if it looks more like a wine bottle. Yeah, that's about right. So click 5 on the numpad to exit that view mode. Actually, no, my bad. You're going to want to go back, zoom in a little, click Shift A, add a cylinder. Now hold Control, click on this arrow till it's out, then release the click and release Control. Now you're going to want to press Tab, then you're going to go down here, click Faces, click on this top face X and select Faces. Now down here, you're going to want to do the same thing, X, faces. Okay? Get out of tab mode, or my bad, edit mode. Then hold control, click, then bring it back in. What the? Okay, I was holding control. Okay, I'm just gonna restart that real quick because it's not perfectly centered. I want it to be perfectly centered. I'm just gonna add a cylinder. Hold control, bring it out. There we go, that's more like it. Tab, faces, select X, faces, select it, X, faces, and then tab, click the arrow, hold control. There we go. Now you can bring it down to wherever you want. Okay, I'm gonna put it around here. Click S, scale that down. There we go. Now you're gonna want to add in. I'm gonna scale that down a little bit more, just until it's outside of the wine bottle like that. Okay. Add another cylinder. So we're going to want to drag it up. Scale that down to about the shape. Bring it up. There we go. Now you're going to click tab. Wait, no, my bad. My bad. You're just going to click S, Z. Oh. So the top for me is actually kinda, it's really bent, so I guess I can't have a wide cylinder, a tall cylinder on the top, I guess, for me. But I like these little grooves. They actually make it look pretty realistic, I think. Anyway. It's gonna show up in the glass, I'm pretty sure. Oh. Okay. So go to select world. Oh, by the way, change it to cycles render. That's my bad. Click use nodes, then go to all the way white. Okay. Click Shift A, plane. Bring this down. Now the plane doesn't have to be too big because it's only for the shadow, okay, of the wine bottle, and the shadow of the wine bottle is probably not going to be that big. So this, because it, look, you go into material, it's going to be the same color as the world, so you can't really make, you can't really tell the difference between the ground and the world, but you just want a shadow for your bottle, so that's why we're doing that. Okay, so I'm actually going to select this one, hold control, bring this out, go into tab mode, edit mode, my bad, delete this, and control and bring it back. There we go. Now I'm actually going to scale that down. There we go. That's perfect. So then, I'm going to click smooth. For that one, this one, you're going to click smooth. So you smooth in both of them. Okay? You're going to go in here, select the wine bottle. Okay? It might look a bit weird on the cylinders, but then go down here, click node editor. What? Oh yeah, my bad. Then okay, what you're gonna want to do is have this as a dark green. Now I already have it in my what? Oh, I guess I don't. Okay, well then you're just gonna change it to a, whoops, a dark green. So bring it all the way to the green. Make it really dark. There we go. Now we're gonna add Shift A, add a glass texture. Also, you're gonna want to add a mix shader. Okay. Bring this down here. Wait, I'm gonna put that there. Put this here. Now I'm gonna add a glossy. I'm gonna add another mix shader. You add all of them by doing Shift A, by the way. If I didn't already mention that. Okay. Then you're gonna make this the same color as this, so you go into hex, you Control copy, and glossy, my bad. Control V, enter. There you go. I'm gonna change this to about, I'm just gonna do 75%. And then over here, let's do this one 25%. Okay. And then that should give you the look you want. Oops. Yeah. There it is. That's about the look you want. Now I'm going to change the lamp to a sun lamp. Just doing that. Okay. Then this cylinder, you're going to make it red. Make it a little darker. Probably around there. This one, I'm going to make it like a tan color, like that. Okay. That gives you the wine bottle. It's about what you're going to have when you're going to render it. Now, you're going to take the camera. Oops. Just going to... Okay, you know what? Press 0 on the numpad. So you're in the camera. Now it's going to have the picture of the original wine bottle in the background. I don't really know how to disable that. I guess I could just go down here. There. Disable that. I don't know. Because you don't need it anymore. You already kind of modeled the wine bottle. And then, actually we need this. Click lock camera to view. And we can actually get rid of this. So then, I'm gonna go over here where the thing is making light. Okay, let's see how that looks. Can move it over here. Yep, now go to render, GPU, because everyone has a GPU, right? Unless you're, I don't know. That's basically it. You're gonna, instead of clicking animation, you're just gonna click this camera render right here. Wait for it to render. Oh! My bad. I forgot to smooth this out, I think. Okay, I'm gonna have to go back here. Click escape. Click down here, 3D view. No, I forgot to do something. So I'm gonna exit out the camera by pressing 0. And I'm gonna click here. Click smooth shading. There we go. That's much better. Now we can render the image. That was my bad, guys. Now this should take a pretty short amount of time. Whoops, maybe the camera was not... Whoa, maybe the camera wasn't on the right. Because it... Yeah, it's fine. Now you're going to go down here. Once it's done, you click image. Save as image. Okay. And you're going to call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it wine bottle tutorial. Okay. Save it as image. And that's it. You're done. You got the image. Look, if you go into your files, documents, you got the wine bottle tutorial right here. Thanks for watching, fellas.